A random sample of 200 American voters were asked about which political party they supported and their attitude to a proposed new form of taxation. The voters' responses are summarized in the table. So we have the attitude, favour, neutral and against, and we have the party, Democratic, Independent, Republican. We have to carry out a chi-squared test at the 1% level of significance to investigate whether there is an association between party supported and attitude to the proposed form of taxation. If we go to the statistics application and then press the tab key and then the third option for hypothesis test, then scroll down, we have a chi-squared test, which is a two-way test. The observed values we can enter into matrix A, and the expected values will be calculated and those will go into matrix B. If we begin by entering in the observed values into matrix A, we have 3 rows and we have 3 columns. So entering in the data, we have 58, 16, 16, 25, 4, 11, 17, 20, 33. Let's press back, and let's press back again. Let us execute. So for our solution, let's begin by stating the null hypothesis. That is to say, there is no association between political party supported and attitude to taxation. Then we have the alternate hypothesis, in which there is an association between political party supported and attitude to taxation. You can see the degree of freedom is equal to 4 and the chi-squared test statistic is equal to 30.47, etc. If I go back and then to the expected, and then if I go to the matrix editor and then go to matrix B, here is where we have the matrix of expected values. Now, what we can do is find the critical value at 1%. If I press home, then distribution, go to chi-squared, let us change the tail to x is greater than or equal to. We calculated we had 4 degrees of freedom. And we have a 1% level of significance. You can see the critical value is equal to 13.276. If I compare this with the test statistic of 30.47, etc., you can see the 13.276 is less than the 30.47, etc. Therefore, we reject H0, i.e. there is strong evidence of an association between political party supported and attitude to the proposed taxation.